Hey everyone!
Santa.
What? Welcome to our channel. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe because it will make us really happy.
Happy.
Yeah, let me see your happy faces. Yay! Alright, what do you guys want to do today?
Play groceries.
You want to play groceries?
Yeah.
And kitchen?
I have answers and then
Okay, let's go!
Let's go. Food.
Alright, are you going to be the cashier?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put your apron on. We have to get the grocery cart. Here. Get your grocery cart. Is this your baby?
No, it's mine.
Oh, that's your baby? What's his name?
Mommy, he's
What? Okay, what do we want to eat? Ooh, you got cookies? Did you bake those cookies?
Down.
You baked them?
No, I make them.
Oh, you made them. Okay, I'm gonna have one.
I have some.
How many cookies do you want?
Broccoli and
You want broccoli?
banana.
Okay, I have to see if they have that.
And broccoli. We have some cheese.
You have cheese?
And
Okay.
cheese. We have tomatoes.
Oh, look, here's broccoli.
And we have some tomatoes too. We have tomatoes.
Oh, oh, you want to see what's in the fridge?
Oh,
Spider-Man?
wow! And
Some ice cream? Oh, don't eat it. Yeah, we have to buy it. Here, put it in the cart.
we have to buy those.
Yeah, we have to put it in the cart and then we're gonna buy them.
Okay. I'm gonna buy them. There wasn't in this?
Sure, I'll take that one. Okay, you want that one, dude? I'll take this one. I'll carry your baby around, okay?
What's it? What's there?
You want to put the baby over there?
Wait, that's it.
What? Okay, well, he left, so I'll just buy some other stuff.
Okay. No, get it.
You didn't want to bring your baby?
Mommy, do it. No, get it.
No, get it? Okay. We're gonna take 2 cookies and an ice cream.
No, get it.
But do you think we should probably eat something in the kitchen later? So maybe we should get some stuff so we can make something.
There's very much.
Okay.
Very much.
What if we get some hamburger stuff?
Thank you.
Okay, chicken. Put that up there. Do you want to get anything else?
I'll get more. Get more banana. There you go. There's a banana. Want some orange?
An orange? Sure. Do you have any oranges?
Okay.
Do you want to get a magazine? Hey, Spider-Man. Do you want to get a magazine or some chapstick?
These shops. We don't have.
Okay, I'm going to get this magazine and some chapstick.
We have some pumpkin eat tomorrow.
Okay.
Today.
Okay, maybe we could cook it at the store or at the kitchen. And maybe a gift card. Yes, please. Can you put $20 on that gift card?
Sure. Oh, hold on a minute. It's all animals.
It's all animals. Did you buy it?
No.
No? Okay, put it up there so we could buy it.
Awesome. Mommy wanted that.
Yeah, I wanted that. Thank you. All right. Oh, you don't want this? Okay, we'll put it back.
$5.
Oh, no, we pay you. Where's your card? Spider-Man, where's your card? Okay.
That's it.
Okay, get the card.
$1.
Oh, it's all that was only $1?
Only $1.
Okay. Here you go.
$1.
Here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Get the bag, Spider-Man.
I took the bag. I got it.
Okay, now we're gonna go to our kitchen. Oop. Oh, thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Next week.
All right. Oh, now he wants to use the grocery cart. Okay. Wait, we're gonna take this to the kitchen so we could cook the food.
Okay, I'll bring it to your kitchen.
Okay. Let's go to our kitchen. Are you gonna eat with your baby? Hey, would your baby like a high chair? Okay, let me go get your high chair. There's your chair. Let me go get the high chair, okay?
Can I eat too, please?
Sure.
Okay.
All right, there's your high chair.
Down my ash chair.
Okay. Hi, guys. What would you like to eat today?
Some hot sauce.
Hot sauce? Okay, what do you want to eat?
Hot sauce and french fries. And the mommy.
Oh, okay. Hi, Mommy.
Daddy. A fries with hot sauce.
Okay, what does your baby want?
Ebook. I don't know.
Spider-Man, what does the baby want?
French fries maybe?
Okay.
French fries?
Let's see.
No.
What about carrot french fries?
No. Okay.
What about some soup? Okay, salt.
I need something to eat too.
Oh, do you want something to drink?
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna help me cook? Let me run to the grocery store really fast and get a juice. Here's a juice, and then here's a yogurt. Is it good?
So good. Mommy, best cooker.
I'm the best cooker? Thank you.
I want bread. I'm the biggest one. Go. I want some food maybe. Can the baby have some food, please?
Yeah. What does he want?
He wants some
Maybe a carrot?
maybe a burrito.
Oh, burrito? Okay. Let me see if I have burrito. Oh, what about broccoli?
Okay. That's
Broccoli
okay.
and burritos are like the same because they both start with B.
You have to cook it.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, here's for the baby.
Mama, get up.
Oh no.
Here. This is a eating thing.
Oh, it's an eating thing? Okay.
Like that.
Oh,
It went down his throat.
oh, the baby got so big. You ate a lot of food and you grew up? Oh my gosh. And I thought you were a boy, but you're so cute. All right, what do you want to eat, baby? You want some broccoli? Okay. I'm going to cook you some more broccoli, okay? Hey, Spider-Man.
I gave Brother a hug.
Aww. I think brother is your daddy right now. Hey, Daddy, do you want to feed the baby more broccoli? Because it made her really big. And she's hungry again.
Okay. Make it.
I got it right here. Oh! She's a bad baby. You want to feed her some yogurt?
I don't like yogurt.
You don't like yogurt? Okay, let's see what else we have. Here's some pasta. Oh no, okay. Okay.
Can you watch the spaghetti? Watch the spaghetti. Watch the spaghetti.
You want me to watch the spaghetti? Okay.
Yes, please.
What about, do you like pizza?
Sure.
Is it good?
What do you like pizza?
She likes pizza?
Yes.
Ooh.
I like pizza.
Okay, now that we're all full, you guys, do you want to
Food.
do some tricks on the trampoline?
Yes.
Okay. Hey, Spidey. Hey, Spider-Man. You want to do some tricks on the trampoline? Oh, your baby's leaving.
I
You want to take your shoes off?
I'm gonna go Spider-Man. No, Spider-Man. Oh, the bat. Okay.
Kelsey, jump. Whoa.
Mommy.
Ooh, you hanging upside down like a bat? Your name's Spider-Man, not Batman.
No. Spider-Man.
Yeah, you're Spider-Man.
What's my hand? I want to be a baby again.
You want to be a baby again?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Good night, baby. Oh, did Spider-Man turn into a baby?
No, me.
Are you the daddy?
No, mommy.
You're mommy?
No, Spider-Man.
Oh, you're Spider-Man. Okay. All right, let's tuck the baby into sleep so she'll go night-night.
Okay. Good night, baby.
Good night, baby. Aww. What was that noise? Oh no. What's wrong? What's wrong?
I'm a baby.
You're a baby? Are you okay?
Yes.
You're okay?
I need a
Oh no.
doctor.
You need a doctor? Let me call him. Let me call the doctor.
Doctor.
Oh, hello, doctor. Okay, we need you. We need you right now, okay?
Doctor.
Oh, you already here? You heard her crying? Okay. Thank you, doctor. Is she sick?
Yes.
No! What's wrong with her? Do you have any medicine?
I need some medicine. I need some.
Is she better now? Do you feel better now?
No, no, doctor. Ouch.
Oh, are you okay?
It's like,
It's fake?
yes,
Okay. Are you okay, baby?
yes.
Did the doctor make you better? Okay, go back to sleep, okay? It's okay. Okay. Thank you, doctor.
I'm a baby still.
Here's my money. Thanks for coming.
I'm a baby still. I'm a baby still.
Yeah, you're a baby still.
I'm a baby still.
All right. Go to sleep. Okay?
Owie. Owie.
You got hurt again? Doctor! I better call the doctor. Doctor, hurry. Come quick. Hurry!
I need it.
Hurry! Hurry, she's gonna fall off the bed. She's so sick. Oh my gosh, she's she's tossing and turning. I think she has a fever. Oh no, hurry, help her. Help her. Ah! Oh no.
I'm about to
Oh no. Here, check her temperature. Oh, just give her medicine, yeah. Are you better now?
No.
Oh, look, she got better. Thank you, doctor. Here's more money. Thank you. Oh, you scared me so bad. Look, she was even so much better. She even got in her bed alone. Say thank you for watching our channel.
Daddy is a candle.
We're going to keep playing doctor. Hope everybody has a great day.
Day. Bye.
Say bye, baby.
Bye, baby.
No, the baby has to say bye.
Bye, baby.
Bye.